Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a Toyota C-HR XLE Premium package. This is a 5-passenger 4-door crossover in Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your daytime running lights, your turn signals on the side mirrors, that little wing up top, and you also have your smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside and see what else the C-HR has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. We're going to take a look in the front first on the driver's side. The C-HR does have a smart key system, so if you put your hand in there, the vehicle will unlock. On the bottom you have some nice storage space. Up top you have your power windows, locks and mirrors. Black cloth seating, and on the bottom you have your power and manual seat adjusters. So now let's hop inside. Start the vehicle. It is a push to start. Put your foot on the brake and press that start button right there and the vehicle will fire up for you. On the left side of the steering wheel, here you have these arrows which will help you navigate through your entertainment display right in the center. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right, you have these buttons which will help you navigate through your multi-information display right up there. Below that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense options with your lane departure assist and radar cruise control, as well as your cruise control speed settings right behind the wheel there. Now we're going to move on to our entertainment display screen right here. Right now we are on menu. If we go ahead and press audio and sources, you can see you have your AM and FM options, of course, as well as your USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device if you choose. There's that backup camera. It also gives you those nice guidelines. If we move just below that, you have your climate control settings with your dual zone system, so you can adjust the temperature. Passenger can do so as well. Driver, passenger heated seats. If we move down, there you have your USB and auxiliary, as well as some storage. Behind the shifter, you have your cup holder. Let's open that center console. Nice and simple, also a 12-volt outlet in there. Lastly, glove box. Press that button and that'll open up. Nice and simple. There's also lots of room in this one as well. So now we're just going to close that right up. Now before we hop into the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. In the door you do have a little cup holder, which is nice. More black cloth seating. Plenty of space for 3 passengers. And also, these seats do fold down. Just press that button and that'll go down like that. And that just gives you access to your cargo. Just to show you 2 things before we head inside. On top, we do have this nice little wing here. Gives the C-HR a little sporty look. And under that Toyota emblem is that backup camera that we mentioned. So to open up, just press the button right underneath and that goes up. Super easy. Lots of room in here. Of course, the seats do fold down, as I mentioned, if you ever need that extra space. And underneath here, just pull that up. And that'll give you access to your spare tire in case that ever goes. So to close up, got this nice little handle here. Just give that a nice push. Taking a last look at our Toyota C-HR XLE Premium package. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on a corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.